Hi my friends, this is Bhupinder Tu. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to correct or rotate a video. For example, in this example, I got a video from a concert I went to, and as you can see, the video is 90 degrees and does not look good. And I want to turn it by 90 degrees in Premiere Pro. What should I do? So close the video, open Premiere Pro, get a new project up there, and drag and drop your video here, just like that. Select the video by clicking in it, and then click on motion, then go to rotation, type in 270 degrees, then you see black up and down, so it looks like this is not the right sequence. So you need to go to the sequence settings. Here you can see the frame size. All you need to do is to change these two numbers. Type in here 1920 and the horizontal 1080. Then click OK. Change to preview format or review. Say yes. Then you need to go to sequence again and click in render in to out. Once the render is complete, your video is in the right orientation. Well guys, I would be uploading this video onto my another YouTube channel called Bhupinder Film. If you are interested into watching this video of the concert, you could head there and watch that. Thanks for watching. I hope you learn how to now turn your video by 90 degrees. I hope I see you on my next video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.